How to find your purpose, discovering your true self. Once upon a time, in a small, quiet town nestled between rolling hills, there lived a young woman named Alena. Alena had always been a dreamer. As a child, she would spend hours staring at the stars, imagining a life full of adventure and meaning. But as she grew older, the weight of expectations from her family, her friends, and society began to cloud her vision. She found herself stuck in a job she didn't love, feeling lost and disconnected from the dreams she once held so dear. One evening, as she sat by the window watching the sunset, Alena felt a deep ache in her heart. She whispered to herself, "There has to be more to life than this." That night, she made a decision: she would embark on a journey to find her purpose. Ask the right questions. Alena began by asking herself questions she had avoided for years. What makes me feel alive? What would I do if I weren't afraid of failure? What do I want my legacy to be? She realized that she had been living on autopilot, following a path that wasn't truly hers. By asking these questions, she started to uncover the layers of her true self. Explore your passions. Alena decided to revisit the things she once loved. She signed up for a painting class, something she had enjoyed as a child but abandoned as she grew older. As she dipped her brush into the vibrant colors, she felt a spark of joy she hadn't felt in years. She also started volunteering at a local animal shelter, where she discovered her love for helping others. Through these experiences, Alena realized that her passions were clues to her purpose. They were the things that made her feel most alive. Embrace your strength. Alena took time to reflect on her strengths. She was a great listener, a creative thinker, and someone who could inspire others with her words. She started a small blog where she shared her journey of self-discovery, and to her surprise, people resonated with her story. This gave her the confidence to lean into her natural talents. Step 4. Let go of fear. One of the biggest obstacles Alena faced was fear of failure, fear of judgment, and fear of the unknown. She realized that fear was holding her back from living a purposeful life. She began to practice mindfulness and meditation, which helped her quiet her mind and focus on the present moment. Slowly, she learned to let go of the fear that had been weighing her down. Step 5. Take action. Alena knew that finding her purpose wasn't just about thinking, it was about doing. She started small, setting goals that aligned with her passions and strengths. She began writing a book about her journey, something she had always dreamed of but never thought she could achieve. Each day, she took one step closer to her dreams, no matter how small. Step 6. Trust the process. There were moments when Alena doubted herself. She wondered if she was on the right path or if she would ever truly find her purpose. But she reminded herself that the journey itself was just as important as the destination. She learned to trust the process and embrace the uncertainty. The turning point. One day, as Alena was walking through the town square, she noticed a group of young students painting a mural. They were laughing, creating, and expressing themselves freely. Alena felt a surge of inspiration. She realized that her purpose wasn't just about her, it was about helping others find their own purpose too. She started hosting workshops in her community, teaching people how to reconnect with their passions and strengths. Through these workshops, she found a deep sense of fulfillment and meaning. The lesson. Alena's journey taught her that finding your purpose isn't about having all the answers right away. It's about asking the right questions, exploring your passions, embracing your strengths, and taking action, even when the path isn't clear. Most importantly, it's about trusting yourself and the journey. Final thought. Alena's story is a reminder that your purpose is not something you find outside of yourself, it's something you uncover within. It's the thread that connects your passions, strengths, and the impact you want to make in the world. So, take the first step. Ask the questions. Explore. Embrace. And trust that the journey within will lead you to the life you were meant to live.